Introducing the 2018 Honda HR-V. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.